"Yes," he said. "I put some of my things in the car. A guitar and some clothes. Then I pushed my car over a cliff and burned it. The police found the burned car and thought I was dead. Everybody thought I was killed in the car crash." "But you faked the crash," I said. "Yes." "What did you do then?" "My family hid me away for months. I tried to change into a different person. Shorter hair, a moustache, quiet suits. All my money went to Greta, and she changed her name to Ross. I told her to buy this island. Now I invest her money, the money that was mine. And now I'm James Ross." "What about Jake Rosso?" I asked. "Jake Rosso took drugs," he said. "Jake Rosso got drunk and crashed cars. He killed a young girl, so he had to die. I can never forget the girl. I think about her every day." "And that's why you always look so sad," I thought. I looked around the room. "Why do you keep a room like this? Why do you keep the guitars, the posters and photographs?" James Ross did not speak for a minute. Then he said, "I need to remember my old life and what Jake Rosso was like. I'm never going to sing again, and I'm never going to take drugs. But I need this room to remember." I looked at the posters and the photographs, and I looked at his sad face. "I'm not going to say anything. I won't tell my mother. I won't tell anybody." James Ross looked at me. "I think you understand," he said. "I do," I said. "I've done bad things. I want to forget them too. I needed to get away, to hide too. That's why we came to England, to begin a new life. Yes, I understand." He took my hand, and we walked out of the room and closed the door. I never went into the room again, and I didn't tell anybody. My mother and I left the island at the end of the summer. Soon after, I went to college. My life is better now. I work on a farm in England, and my mother works in an office. My mother doesn't worry about me because I'm happier now. I haven't been back to the island, but I know there's a dead man living there.